unknowingly selling stolen vehicles. CBSA has long cited privacy concerns in withholding this information, but has now started securely transmitting some data to private companies. Dealers argue that VINs are public and should be searchable for theft prevention. The Ontario Motor Vehicle Industry Council, OMVIC, offers a compensation fund for customers affected by these frauds if purchases are made through licensed dealers, but not for private sales. Despite progress, industry leaders are pushing for wider, low-cost access to exported VIN data to help fight auto theft and protect consumers. The 2025 Vancouver International Auto Show set a new attendance record with 138,773 visitors, surpassing 2024's total of 129,033. A record-breaking single-day attendance of 42,761 was also achieved. The five-day event, held at the Vancouver Convention Center, showcased 30 automotive brands with a strong focus on electric, luxury, and high-performance vehicles. Key highlights: EV and PHEV test drive experience attracted 4,424 participants across 49 vehicles from 16 OEMs. Strong public interest in sustainable and electric mobility was noted. Tesla was asked not to participate due to global protests and safety concerns. Organizers praised the growing enthusiasm around automotive technology and confirmed the show will return in 2026 from March 25th to 29th, aiming to further elevate the industry standard. Hyundai Canada, along with its dealer network, has donated $1 million to the CHU Saint-Justine Foundation in Montreal to support pediatric cancer care and research. This donation is one of the first from the newly formed nonprofit Hyundai Hope on Wheels in Canada and is part of a larger $4 million commitment for 2025 to support pediatric oncology centers nationwide. The funds will help CSU Saint-Justine, a leading pediatric cancer center and bone marrow transplant facility in Quebec, enhance patient care, survivorship programs, and research initiatives. Hyundai Canada President and CEO Steve Flamand emphasized the importance of bridging critical funding gaps and bringing hope to affected families. The donation was presented during a March press conference hosted by Hyundai Canada.